21-year-old Shelton Jordan, called Mickey Mouse of West La Penitence, was killed at around 5:30 hours this morning. The Evening News was told that Jordan attempted to steal a board on Dennis Street, Sophia, but was caught. An argument reportedly ensued between him and the man. However, Jordan reportedly stabbed the victim to his hand. This resulted in a scuffle between the two. The robbery victim managed to disarm Jordan of the knife, stabbing him several times. The 56-year-old man then proceeded to the police station, where he reported what had transpired. Tiffany Lowers, the girlfriend of the dead bandit, was in a distraught state at the scene of the incident. According to the woman, Jordan left home at around 12 hours last night and never returned.
You don't know the circumstances how he died or so? No. What were you told? When's the last time you saw him?
He left me since 12 o'clock the last night.
How long are you together?
However, on the scene of the crime, several victims who had their birds stolen alleged that Jordan and a group had been in the area stealing boards.
So he's a known bird thief? The same yes.
The man, the black man,
yes.
They take two boards from me the other day.
Who they or he?
Well, it's the same CG, but you know directly he can't identify what's all the morning. It's the same CG they're moving with all the time.
Okay, so
it's every day, everybody upon Sheriff Street, a man getting take. Everybody a man getting take. You know which report at the station?
When is the board?
The board is be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. This one is going to get black.
Hold on, let me get one at a time. I'll go wait.
The board is be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. This one is get black. See. This man is here with a black hat.
Yes.
This the man that's bring the seed for sale.
Right.
He's the first man reach on spot. The man pull up and pick up our board and ride off.
According to another victim, a wildlife bird seller, the stolen birds are expensive and are being reportedly sold to persons who smuggle them out of the country. The police are said to be investigating. Reporting for the Evening News, Kizzy Coleman.